friends, we are going to do our letter sound cards, but guess what Mrs. Hidley's going to do? I'm going to mix them up. So, they're not going to be in order, okay? I'm mixing them all up for us because we don't need them to be in order, do we? We need to know our letters and our sounds without them being in order, right? Okay, so here we go. I want you to do these along with me, okay? So as I'm saying them, I want you to be saying them too, because practice makes perfect. The more we do these, the better and more fluent we are going to become, okay? You guys ready? Here we go. D, dog, duh. Remember, they're out of order. A, apple, ah. H, hat, I, itch, eh. J, jug, j. K, kite, k. N, nut, n. O, octopus, ah. Q, U, queen, qua. R, rat, L, lamp, ul. C-K at the end of sock says k. C-H, chin, ch. M, man, m. T-H, thumb, th. W-H, whistle, w. Ooh, that one's the back of the cards. W, wind, w. X, fox, x, the end of fox. Y, yellow, y. Z, zebra, z. E, ed, eh. F, fun, f. S, snake, s. T, top, t. U, up, V, van, v. Ooh, that tickles my lips. S-H, ship, sh. B, bat, b. G, game, g. C, cat, k. P, pan, p. Very good, friends. You can practice those anytime you want. You can go back to my video and watch my video and practice some more. And every other day we will be doing the letter sound cards, because the other days we will be doing the letter sound chart. Okay, I hope you guys have a wonderful Wednesday, and I will talk to you soon. Bye, friends.